everyone, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the Nimbus9 iPhone XS Max case. They have sent me a couple of cases. So here is the box and I have my cutter here. Cutter. How do you pronounce it? So let's unbox it together. As soon as you open it, here you see the brand Nimbus9. It's actually in a beautiful box. This looks really fancy, guys. Here it is. Oh my god! Some stuff in here. So I guess the only thing that I have here are cases. And actually they put a Starbucks card. I owe you one. Really nice. They got me a Starbucks card. Cool. Thank you, Nimbus. And I'm gonna show you first Series 2 in rose gold. Oh my god. Look at that. Okay, it's not transparent. Here is the case. This box reminds me of the spec that I unboxed last December. So, you know that they put it in like this box and then you grabbed it from the box. This case has a limited lifetime warranty. So now I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like on our phone. I love the color right here. It's so nice. Like, it's so different. Oh man, guys, look at this. So the sides is really soft. The first time I touch it, it's super soft. Oh no. Whoa. Sides. I love this color right here. It's the bottom. I like the combination of the color, the mauve color and the shimmery pink. There you go. Up. Volume down. Okay guys, when I'm holding it, it's slippery. I recommend to have a pop socket for this one. Oh my god, it's so adorable. I love it. I actually do not have this kind of color. So far my rose golds are just light rose gold, but this one is kind of darker. So I like it. It's unique. This is Nimbus's logo or something. Talking about the lip right in front, I think it's high enough for the case not to get scratched, but I suggest to put a screen protector there just to make sure. I don't think you would have a problem if you have acrylic nails or long nails to take your case off from your phone. Gonna move on to the next case. Our next case would be the transparent one, and this is the Phantom 2. I love it, guys. Love it. Oh my god. Oh my god, looks so heavy duty. I can compare it, I think, with the spec case. Look at that. The spec case is super stiff, but this one you can flex it, but this case you cannot. See that? It's not even soft at all, but this one it is. Even if this case is flexible, this will still protect your phone really well. Ooh, this is actually really cool. For a closer look, this is the top, that is the side, the bottom, and the other side. The volume up and down is red, which is really cool. Gives gives color to the clear case, which is really different. I love that. On the other side too, you can see a red button right there for turning off the screen or maybe calling Siri. A screenshot right here to see if it is soft and easy to handle buttons. Yes, you can see in there, not just like plain case, but it has pattern on it. High lip on the camera, which is nice. Right there. I love this color. Like a kind of shiny red in there, a pop of color. This case is okay without having to put a spin pop or a pop socket in there, because you really have a good grip with this case. So the next case is going to be this case right here. It is the Phantom 2 in Flamingo. This looks kind of lighter than the spec. But take it off of the box and then let's try it on our phone. I actually love it. This is how the case looks like. Stop. And there's the side speakers, and then the speakers left and right, and here's the other side. Here's the back, the other side. On this one, we can't really see any color on the button. Looks really sturdy and very clean. It looks kind of the same with the color here, like that. Let's see, like this, like this, like this, and like this. So far, I love this case because it doesn't hide the color of the phone. It just makes it even more pretty, because it shows the my gold phone a little bit. Last part of this video is going to be something that Nimbus9 is trying to promote, and I am so happy that they chose me to be one of the people that's going to promote their kind of advocacy on their website, or something that they want to promote on their website. I'm so happy that I am a part of this. So Nimbus9USA.com is promoting a hero's heart. For every purchase of a Nimbus9 product, a meal is donated to an orphan in need. So far, they have given a meal to 276.154 since 2017. If you buy or purchase a Nimbus9 product, a meal is donated to an orphan in need. The process is, when you buy a Nimbus9 product, we donate the meal to an orphan. Together, we create a brighter future. Since the launch of the Hero's Heart initiative, served 276 plus meals to the orphans in Vietnam. So it is in Vietnam, and these orphans are facing serious living conditions and are enormously short of physiological needs like clean water and food. Right now, they need a helping hand. So we are calling for you, Hero's Heart, to change the life of these orphans. Join hands with us to make sure these lovely kids will not have to worry about the starvation again. And together, let's nurture our next generation and create a future full of joy for them. This was in the Long Hoa Temple, a Buddhist pagoda host of over 100 orphans in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. After our first introduction with the monks responsible of the temple, we spent the rest of the day playing, reading, as well as cooking a packed meal for the children. So if you buy these cases right here, you will help a little kid. So this is really nice, and I'm so happy that I am a part of this and sharing it to you. And if you buy this will give you a happy heart because you have helped somebody. I'm loving these cases. I love this Sirius 2, which is a rose gold. I love this Phantom 2, which is a clear case, and this one Flamingo is super nice too. And they also have different cases on their website that you could choose from. And yeah, again, you can help one kid when you buy a case. That is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!